Started farming in 1999. We have 5 divisions. We have a row crop division, a vegetable division, a forage division, a livestock division, and our newest addition, we have an agritourism division. Agriculture is constantly changing, and we've seen a lot of changes over the last 21 years with the type of crops that we're growing now versus what we used to grow when we first started. You have to be willing to adapt and willing to change with the times. And we've seen not only crops diversify. Over the years, we've had to diversify to remain sustainable and to try to grow and increase our acreages. 2004, with the Burley tobacco buyout, really posed a challenge to us. We had to transition from being a tobacco grower into unfamiliar crops, but with the help of Henderson County, North Carolina Cooperative Extension, we began to experiment with new crops, and we have continued over 20 years to diversify and try to grow and expand and try to meet those niche markets where they're available. North Carolina Cooperative Extension and North Carolina Agricultural Life Science Division, especially with our local Mountain Horticultural Research Station, has been so instrumental in helping us here at North River Farms. We learned very early on to rely on extension being kind of a neutral, non-partisan way to get research-based information. And we're very, very grateful for the extension relationship that we have.